I chose TenantCloud because of the cost and the simplicity of the app itself. Onboarding and setup was very simple. It was very easy to go in and add my properties as well as my existing tenants and get them up and going. There were a few challenges in the beginning, setting up existing tenants that had security deposits on file, but once that was done, everything was smooth from that point forward. If I were new to the game again and looking for property management software, I would definitely choose Tenant Cloud again. The experience has been great and it fits my small business needs. The cost is very low and cost effective for people that are trying to balance, their outflow, but what they have coming in, especially if you're a small agency. And support has been great. I have no hesitation about recommending this product to other people, and I enjoy using it myself.